Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox voice chat on PC. Getting started is quite simple, but there are a few key steps to follow. First, you'll need to confirm your age, which is a crucial requirement for accessing this feature. Then, we'll dive into your Roblox settings to make sure everything is properly enabled. Finally, we'll ensure your microphone is ready to go for clear communication. To unlock voice chat, you must be at least 13 years old. Roblox requires age verification, which typically involves uploading a government-issued identification document. This could be a driver's license or passport. Sometimes, a quick selfie is also needed to match your face with the ID, ensuring a secure and safe environment for everyone using the platform. Once your age is verified, head over to your Roblox settings and find the Privacy tab. Here, you'll see an option to enable voice chat. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. While you're there, take a moment to check your input and output devices to ensure your preferred microphone and speakers are selected for the best audio experience. With voice chat enabled, you can now jump into any Roblox game that supports this feature. You'll notice a small microphone icon appearing above your avatar when you're speaking. This indicates your voice is being transmitted. You also have the flexibility to mute or unmute yourself, and even other players, directly within the game for a more controlled and enjoyable interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.